How to add watermark to a video in Reelshot. Protect your video content and reinforce your brand by adding a custom watermark in Reelshot. A watermark, like a logo or text, helps prevent unauthorized use and promotes your work. This guide shows you how. First, have your watermark ready. This can be a transparent PNG image of a logo or simple text that you want to use. Open the Reelshot project that you wish to watermark. Look for a layer icon, often overlapping squares, or a plus icon at the end to add media. Select the image if using a logo, and import your transparent PNG. If using text, choose the text option and type your watermark. This will add it as a new layer on your timeline. Drag the watermark on the preview to a desired position. For the watermark options, you'll require a premium version, so please follow the rest of the steps yourself. Pinch to resize it appropriately. Access the opacity or transparency tool and reduce its visibility so it doesn't distract. Finally, extend the watermark layer's duration on the timeline to cover your entire video. Now your content is branded and protected. You've successfully added a watermark to your video in Reelshot. Protect your creations. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot branding tips.